it's your girl Ayn.
And it's your girl Max.
And you're watching Sunkissed Somewhere. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Ayn Bernos and I do videos on travel, lifestyle, and confidence 3 times a week, every single week, or when I can. For today's video, I have a collab with Max, ToTheMAX on YouTube. Today we are rating each other's bags. So over at her channel, I rated her bag, which is this one. We have matching Anellos. Yeah. So like for this video, she's gonna rate my bag and see what the contents are. Now, if you want to see me rate her bag, head over to her channel and check it out.
I'm so excited because like for the entire time that we've been friends, I've never actually seen what's in your bag.
Yeah, that's true, because I just bring way too many things in. Shall we begin?
We shall.
Okay, go ahead, Max. Take it away.
Okay.
It's so heavy.
This is so nice though. This is like supple leather. It's dark brown, like dark brown chocolate.
I had to fight like a dad over this bag. Well, not really.
Yeah,
pero kasi like it was, they had last 2 stocks na lang. And then I heard him, he was like talking to his daughters on the phone. They were like, oh, ito may brown leather bag, ganyan, ganyan. And then I was like, oh my god, he wants the brown leather bag. I need to get it.
Oh my god.
So I got it. And then by the time I was at the counter, he was like, ah, nakuha na yung brown leather bag. Yeah, I really wanted this. So.
It's so nice. It's so soft. It feels so lush. High-end backpack. Okay, do I go with the first? Let's start small.
Yeah.
I want to start small. Okay, so we're going to go in with the first pouch. It's Sunnies.
Yeah, my specs.
Ooh, these are so pretty.
Yeah, but I don't actually have grado. Like my vision is perfect.
Oh, so it's like clear.
It's for
for the computer. The yellow tint.
So this is like prevention, more prevention than anything.
How aesthetic does this look though? Like
I know,
the color
right?
is insane.
Yeah, I love it. I spent like 3,000 on it, but honestly, it's made me more productive.
Yeah. When it really helps out, because when I started working in production, like my eyes would get crusty.
Super. So it really helps.
Yeah. And then we have
oh yeah, my charger. I don't actually bring this a lot, but today, since I had a sleepover and I had to come here to film, so I got my charger.
It's handy to bring a charger though. You know what they should make? Like power banks for chargers.
Yes, and laptops.
Yes,
right?
yes.
We don't have that.
Right?
So
that's so important. We're going into the main pouch. I also have stuff on the
side. Maybe coins. Right, that's right. I got, okay, so I just stuck it in there. So these are, sorry, my oil. Like, so my, oh my god, these are earrings that I got from Shop Solasta. It's like it's an online shop for earrings. I'm wearing these as well. So they sent these over to me like yesterday, I think, and then I just stuck it in here. Oh my god, they're so nice.
Dude, after you came out with these, I immediately followed them and I've just been
nice. They're amazing.
Dude, they're so high quality.
They are high quality, which is rare for like, you know, like online jewelry.
Dang! Okay, definitely buying from them.
I didn't realize that.
Surprise!
Oopsies, I'm sorry.
Okay, so we have the big bag.
Big bag.
Pouch. Oh, wow, you got a lot of stuff.
It's me. I bring everything with me.
First thing we have is her laptop, which I'm sure has been used way past its worth already.
Yeah, it's been with me for like 5 years now, 6 years.
You always have your laptop on you.
I always like, even on a night out, I would have it in the car just in case I need to sleep over at a friend's house and then I need to work the next day.
I love your case.
Thank you.
Where'd you get it?
It's a shop called Cool Beans Manila. It's owned by my friends.
Oh, that's so cute. Yeah. Cool Beans.
Cool Beans. Oh, right. Yeah, so I didn't fix my bag before this.
No, that's good. It's raw. Etapas plus, Spanish.
Etapas.
I clearly don't speak Spanish. I speak French. Wow.
So I started
learning Spanish, right?
Formally. So I have classes. So I do it Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Classes?
Yeah, I go to Instituto Cervantes.
I love it.
So I have my book. This is our textbook. Yeah, so basically my bag is what I use every time I go to class.
It's a 3-hour class.
It's a 3-hour class.
I used to do that for French.
Yeah,
like every Saturday.
We should do a video speaking Spanish and French, but like I'm not good enough yet, so.
Or we should teach each other like Spanish. And then like I can teach you like a few basic
Boom,
French
collab
words.
idea. before I leave.
This is so cool. Inspiring. Now I want to go back to learning French. Okay.
Oh, and my enrollment form.
Okay, I'm not gonna show them that. Your girl is multilingual.
Yeah, well, not yet.
We got your phone that you've had since 2016?
2015.
Why do you have 2 pop sockets?
Why do people always ask me that? It's so efficient.
What do you mean? Like, how do you
I do it like this. It's so efficient. It's like having a ring, you know, thing.
Yeah.
And nobody can take it away from you.
Okay, yes.
Right?
Yeah, I see.
Am I the only one who has?
Yes, I'm pretty sure you're the only one who has 2 pop sockets. Oh!
Yeah, we have a family group chat.
No, I'm talking about.
Oh, okay. My wallpaper is truffle.
Truffle.
My baby.
Truffle, waffle, duffle. Oh, we got a bunch of pouches too. I'll go through the notebooks first. We have, ooh, the big book of ideas. Did you draw that? Yes.
I did draw it.
Aww, so this has like all your concept planning.
This is, So like half of it, the first half is Morena the label. And then the second half is YouTube. So all of the stuff that I just think of, ganyan, they're all
hard work and dedication, basically. We got a book. Wow, this is a thick book.
Yeah. So
Are you reading this?
Yeah, that's my current read.
And the mountains. Oh, he wrote yeah, the kite runner.
That made me cry so
I heard
much.
It's good.
It's so good. It's so good.
I haven't.
You should. I love his writing, and it's like it's a really good look into, you know, Afghanistan and their culture. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's really nice.
On my book list. Okay. Oh, ooh, we have your moleskin planner.
This is the first planner that I've successfully used to its full potential, I think.
Dude, you know,
like it's August and I'm still using it.
The first time I saw you use this, when we were in Coffee Bean.
Yeah.
Remember? When we were in Coffee Bean, I actually had stopped using my planner.
Yeah.
Like I stopped using it in like March, I think. And then when I saw you using this and how well you were using it, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get back on my planner. Yeah. You guys need to know, Ayn is the kind of person that when you're with her for a long time, she will literally motivate you without even knowing it. Like she's just motivational overall. So she helped me get up off my ass. And
at least you take it as motivational. Some people would say preachy. Or
no, I love it. So. You're like, she's what I need whenever I feel down. I always message you and I'm like, girl, I feel like crap.
Yeah, wake up, Max.
This is...
Oh, this is what
I haven't seen this since college.
Yeah, so I ran out of notebooks and I needed something to use for my Spanish class, and so I saw a yellow pad at home and that's what I brought. Okay, so the task was to go around the class and talk to everyone in Espanol and like get their basic details. And so every time, can you imagine, my real name is Rosane and my nickname is Ayn, and it's so hard. So every time somebody would like talk to me and be like, hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Like, what's your name? And I'd be like, me llamo Rosane, and they're like, ¿cómo se escribe Rosane? And I have to spell it in Spanish to every single one of my classmates. So I was R-O-U-S-A-N-E.
Well, that's good. That's kind of good though.
It was good practice.
Like, yeah, exactly. It helps you get ahead of the game.
Why is my name so complicated and forgettable? It's so hard.
Oh, that's so cool.
This is my electronics pouch, which is, you know, all of my computer related
pouches
stuff.
Are so handy.
I know, I love
They're so handy.
Pouches.
Not everything is sprawled. So you have, you have an, what do you call it? SD card, memory card holder?
Yeah, it's actually just a medicine, you know, the pill compartment for old people.
Resourcefulness.
Yeah, but then I found it, and so I was like, ooh, this should be great for my memory cards and my flash drive. So.
I should do that. Yeah. Mine is just sprawled everywhere. You have your, she has her laptop charger. Yeah. I'm not gonna take this out because I don't want to mess up your stuff. Your hard drive.
Yeah, EHD.
We have the same hard drive.
Really?
Oh,
same
yeah,
color?
I have the gold one too.
Oh yeah.
And then we have, whoa.
This is my Urban Ears headphones. I've had this since college. Yeah.
Where'd you get this?
Look, it's so nice. I don't know, like my ex-boyfriend gave it to me. For my birthday.
Oh my god, I love it with your outfit.
I mean, it doesn't go with the bucket hat. But
Sarap mag-photo shoot with you right now. No, it does go with the bucket hat. It's so monotone.
Yeah, so you get to fold it like this. And then
That's so
wrap it around.
cool. Your bag is making me want to buy a lot of things. It's not good. Another pouch.
Yeah. This is my
makeup?
my essentials kit. This is another brand that sent me their samples.
Oh, that smells good.
Yeah, this is, how would you say it in French? Okay, what's the accent?
Toilette.
Toilette.
Yeah, toilet. People get confused because you know how.
Yeah,
like,
what's the difference between parfum and toilette?
Toilet is like water, perfume is scent. If I'm right, I might be wrong. I might be wrong.
Like, toilet is less dense.
Yeah,
less
perfume,
concentrated.
Perfume is like concentrated.
Okay, got it.
It's kind of. What's the equivalent in English? Anyway, but like in French, because you know how people say like there's an a at the end, and then there's like a. What is it? Never mind. Sorry. Oh my god.
Yes, this is
Everyday Love Nude Lips.
Yeah, if you haven't seen my nude lips swatch video.
I watched it a while ago. Dude, you're rocking all of the colors.
Thank you.
Okay, lipsticks, a bunch of lipsticks. Your go-to.
Yeah, my go-to because I use it. I have two. What?
I have so many.
Why do I have two
You
of the
have
same lipsticks?
oil film, gum, Careline, control on. How is this?
Blush. It's really good, but then when you use just the
Powder puff.
parang you can't blend it right, so you need to brush it out.
Yeah. Okay. You carry a lot of lips.
Yeah.
Like 3 different ones.
So this is like my everyday liquid lipstick. It's like my lips but better.
And then you have chapstick.
Yeah.
And Alka-Gel.
No.
No. Oh,
no.
pH care. Okay.
pH care.
Okay, we have your wallet.
Yeah, my wallet.
Coach.
Yeah, so
damn.
This is my ang gulo ng wallet ko.
How much money does Ayn have?
Not enough. Not enough. Okay, so ang dami ko receipts. Que horror!
Oh my god, you have so many cards.
I don't have a separate pouch for my cards though, so.
If you guys watch my video, you'll get it.
You'll understand.
This is nice though, Coach.
Yeah, and I have my license there as well, I think.
Can I see your license photo?
It's so ugly.
Dude, mine looks like they blew up my face.
The thing is, my ex and I broke up the day I got this taken. So I look so not good. I hate the world.
Yeah, you do look like you hate the world.
Stop talking
Dude, my
to me.
visa passport was taken the day after my ex broke up. So literally my eyes are puffy, and then when I went to get the photo taken, the guy literally was like, "Oh, ba't ang lungkot mo?" And I'm just like,
let me tell you the story.
Mine is, I don't know.
Why is your hair like that?
I don't know. We've got a loose hairbrush.
Oh my god, why do I have that? I think I just put it there because I was going to a sleepover. So
yeah. Okay. And then we have another Sunny's pouch. These are your shades this time.
Yes, but those are not Sunny's actually. These are from Owndays.
Oh yeah!
Yes. I love Owndays.
They look like such little
pricey
glasses.
Like, okay, so when I was like shopping for my Sunnies, for my new Sunnies, I was like, does this look European enough?
It does.
That was my
It looks like the type where if you put them on, plus with your bucket hat, it'd be the kind where like paparazzi will come get your photos.
Oh my
and
god,
be like, no,
stop looking at me. No pictures, please.
No pictures.
No pictures.
I'm just a real human being.
Just like everybody else. Stop it.
No, that's it. That's the end of the bag.
She didn't find anything
Nothing
questionable. That's it for our video today. If you want to watch our version with Max's bag, head over to our channel. I'll link it in the description down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I see you guys soon. Don't forget to stay confident. Mwah.
Bye.